Best home remedies for bleeding gums. You bite into an apple and see a red patch on the bitten part. Embarrassing much? Take another instance: you are brushing your teeth and as you spit out the paste, you see a hint of blood in the sink. Your bleeding gums may be a cause of worry. Seeing blood oozing out of your gums is not normal. Bleeding gums can be one of the indications of a gum disease. Therefore, it is important to take care of not just your pearly whites, but also your gums that hold them firmly. We are telling everything you want to know about bleeding gums and home remedies to keep them healthy. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. What causes bleeding gums? 1. An unhygienic mouth can be home to various bacteria, which can lead to plaque buildup on your gum line. The accumulation of plaque on your gums can cause gingivitis, which in turn can cause inflammation and bleeding in the gums. 2. Vitamin C and vitamin K deficiencies in the body can also cause bleeding gums. 3. Infection in the gum may also cause your gums to bleed. 4. Hormonal changes during pregnancy may also be one of the reasons. 5. Poor oral hygiene is the basis of all the diseases in gums and teeth. 6. Excessive use of tobacco may also be harmful for your gums. 7. Last, but not the least, poor eating habits can be one of the causes of bleeding gums. Symptoms of bleeding gums: loosening of teeth, inflamed gums, bad breath, in some cases, formation of pus around the gums, swollen gums. Home remedies for bleeding gums. 1. Salt. Salt has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that help reduce the swelling and combat infections that cause bleeding gums. All you need is warm water and some salt. Mix the two and rinse your mouth thoroughly with the solution. Use it at least 2 to 3 times a day. 2. Honey. Take some raw honey on your fingertips and massage on your gums gently. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help kill the bacteria causing bleeding gums. Make sure you apply honey on your gums regularly. 3. Cranberry juice. Take some unsweetened cranberry juice and drink it on a daily basis. Cranberry comprises phenolic acids and anthocyanins, which are known to have antimicrobial properties that help keep your teeth and gums off the harmful bacteria. 4. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a process of swishing some oil in your mouth to help fight infections that cause your gums to bleed. Rinse with coconut oil or sesame oil to ensure that your mouth is wary of harmful bacterial growth. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has long been known to help heal infections thanks to its therapeutic properties. Its curcumin compound is said to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help stop the gums from bleeding. All you need to do is mix some turmeric and mustard oil together and massage the mixture gently on your gums. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.